Good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm one of the best educational consultants. Thank you so much for watching, sharing my video to everybody around you. Really appreciate it. Thanks. We are still on Jamb syllabus. We are still on Jamb syllabus. Jamb syllabus is where Jamb set question every year. So we treat it one after the other. We also tell you how the question will be. Hope you are getting my points. I'm telling you how they are going to set that question. So now let's take number one. This one is the last measurement. The third one, micrometer screw gauge. Micrometer screw gauge. So now, what are we going to do by here? What are you going to understand by this? This measure diameter, dimension, thickness of non-cylindrical objects. When we're talking about this, we're talking about the one that measures the diameter or thick or dimension or thickness of non-cylindrical objects. So examples of this one. Now we're talking about some objects that are not in a cylindrical form. We talk about orange. We talk about ball, football. We talk about your phone. We talk about another one. We talk about paper, piece of paper. We talk about wire, etc. So now, whenever you're talking about the diameter, dimension, or thickness of paper, it's only paper that have thickness. Other ones are talking about the diameter or dimension. Do you understand? So any object that is either in a circular form, in rectangular form, in another form that are out of shape of cylinder. Remember that cylinder form is like this. I'll draw it for you. But other shapes are talking about micrometer screw gauge. Pendulum bob. You can talk about pendulum bob, which is also a circular form. Pendulum is in a circular form. It is in a circular form. Pendulum bob. That's much more thing in practical aspects in physics. So it is in a circular form. They are not in a cylindrical form. So when we talk about the thickness of paper, it's talking about micrometer screw gauge, diameter of other ones, micrometer screw gauge. So know this and know peace. Know this and know peace. Know this and know peace. So now let's look at the reading accuracy, which is 0.001 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. So now this is the stuff. This is the stuff. 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. So this one simply means that you're not going to exceed this or this in your calculation. The thing should not exceed 2, should not exceed 3 per centimeter. So this is Jamb syllabus. This is Jamb syllabus. So now how Jamb is going to ask you a question, let me summarize it for you. Jamb question will be like, one of these is a fundamental quantity. So know all this fundamental quantity so I can answer the question. Don't go and be using Jamb past question. Know the fundamental quantity. They can ask you, one of these is a derived quantity. Once you know the fundamental, other ones are derived. So they will ask you using mu raised to the power x, l raised to the power y, t raised to the power z. Find the dimension of force. So please, if you don't understand it, you can hit me on the comment section. You can ask me on WhatsApp. We are there to guide you until you get 3 something over 400. So now they will ask you vernier calipers, examples and micrometer screw gauge examples. Do you understand? And meter rule examples. What they can measure, what they can ask you on reading accuracy. So know all these things and know peace. Know all these things and know peace. This is how Jamb set question. Then regards to their reading, what you will do is that I'll send you my video. You will go to my YouTube channel. You see where I break down the how to read a vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. Do you understand? I'm not doing it here. I've discussed that one. So go there and watch it. So we are done with this one. Thanks so much for watching.